What's up guys, Carlos from New Horizon Seat, and today's video is about a little car drive that I did with a few Corvette friends this last weekend, and took a little drive into the countryside, had some breakfast in this hole in the wall, and was able to get a little bit of good footage with the 360 camera and a little bit of drone footage also. If anyone's curious at what kind of cameras I'm using a GoPro 360 Max on the back of the Corvette, as well as a DJI Air2S drone for all the aerial shots that you see. So really fun, easy to work with kind of drones, especially if you're a beginner. I mean, that was the first drone I ever really got and worked with, especially. And some of this, like once you get a little bit past the initial fears of flying it, you start really kind of learning how the drone works. The software actually works with you to make some really amazing shots. So half the time I'm not even doing anything, and the drone's doing it itself. Whether it's just flying and just following me, or walking around, or just going around a certain object that I highlight, and it just recognizes it and does its thing. So I mean, it's not perfect all the time, but it does take out a good amount of the guesswork sometimes when I'm just talking to some of my buddies and not really wanting to still capture good footage, but not just be a robot taking videos of everyone else having fun. I like to have fun too. So yeah, if you're interested in those products, I'll have links in the description below, so you can check them out. But yeah, no, a fun drive into the countryside, and it's always better with some friends. So with that being said, let's start the video. The camera. He's gonna be in the, let him get in the middle of it. That way he can get video. All right, cool. Everybody, I'm hungry. Hey, where's the center? So thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you like what you saw. Feel free to check out some of my other car videos like this one right here.